Hello everyone. Today I am going to discuss a new chapter, new module, that is module 4. This topic is very important for examination also, that is time and global states. Module 4 is time and global states. Before going to start the algorithms of this module, we have lot of algorithms. For example, Bully algorithm is there, voting algorithm is a booth algorithm, voting algorithm, and also a Bully and Raikot's Agarwal's algorithm. So many algorithms are there. Before going to start an algorithm, let's discuss about the what is the introduction of time and global states. Yes, first we have to discuss with what is the meaning of clock, events, and process. These are all come under actually in operating system process states. Yes, a distributed system consists of a collection of n process. It consists of a collection of n process. Consists of collection of n process. Next, each process each process can consist of state, that is variable fixed length, which is transformed as a executes, and it process the communicates only in a message via through a which one network. In clock, actions of process, it should be sender or receiver or range on one state. Event indicates the occurrence of a single action that a process carries out as it executes. This is a major concept behind the time and basic introduction of time and global state. It is history. It can be indicated as pi, that is equal to I1, I2, I3. This indicates the event of how the process state should be declared in a time value. Now, we'll discuss about what is the definition of clock. The timestamp converts with a computer clock. The timestamp converts a computer clock at the real time. The operating system reads the time on the computer hardware clock, that is micro unit, that is time. Bracket, write it in bracket. It should be a T. T indicates the timestamp. It calculates the time on its software clock. The definition of clock is it should be calculate the time on its software clock. That is indicated as a clock of T, that is equal to alpha of hi of t plus beta. This is the indication of a clock, formula for clock. Now, what is the meaning of clock resolution? Period between updates of the clock value. Period between updates of the clock value is called as an clock resolution. Now, in general, the clock is not completely accurate, but it behaves well enough. It can be used to timestamp events at pi. Now, we'll discuss about what is the meaning of this diagram. Yes, this indicates skew between computer clock in a distributed system. Skew between computer clock in distributed system. Yeah, we'll discuss this one. Computer clocks are not generally in a perfect agreement, or it should be a perfect matching. Now, what is the meaning of clock skew? The difference between the time on the two clocks, the difference between there are four clocks, the difference between the time on the two clocks is called as a clock skew. At any instant of time, we have to difference between these two clocks. Computer clocks or crystal based clocks are subject to physical version. These are based on a crystal based clock. Next, what is the meaning of clock drift? They count the time at different rate and so diverge in a oscillation differs. It should be, it's like a oscillation. For example, it's like a to and fro method. This is called as a clock drift. What is the meaning of clock rate? The difference per unit of time and some ideal reference clock should be orderly quartz to clock drift, and about it should be 11 to 12 days. That is 10 to 6 second unit is called as a clock rate. High precision quartz clock, that it should be a 10 to 8 seconds. Then it should be a maximized to the difference between two things. This is called as a skew between the computer clock. And one thing in this diagram, all the clock skew should be connected through a network, and it should be actively participated in the network function. These are the concept behind this clock skew. Now we'll discuss about coordinate universal time. This is very important. UTC we are calling it, that is UTC. What is the time behind the general method of time? Universal time. UTC is a international standard for time keeping. It is a UTC indicates that it is an international standard for time keeping. It is based on an atomic time, but occasionally it adjusted to the normal time and surrounding time. And international atomic time is based on very accurate physical clock. It should be based on a very accurate physical clock that should be rated to 10 to 19. It is a broadcast from ratio stations on land and satellites. Next, we have to computer with receivers can synchronize their clock with these timing signals by spreading the international time. That is called as an UTC. If in examination they ask me to define UTC, means you have to write the definition of international time, standard time. That is international standard time for a time. It should be indicated in a universal time. That is called as an UTC. Now, what do you mean by synchronization physical clock? In synchronization, it is a two models of synchronization. First model indicate external synchronization, and second model indicate internal synchronization. These two synchronization we'll discuss in a next session. So these are for the today's class. If you have any doubts, please subscribe my channel and put a message in a comment box. Thank you one and all for your listening this video.